All right, guys, so today we're gonna be painting the Supra's tailpipes black. So I've already got our first one off. Let this car go by. I'm working on the second one. I just hit it with some PB Blaster. They're not too bad since it is kind of a newer car. And the only thing holding it on is this little retaining thing in there. It just sits around it. And then it's kind of like little springs that focus up that clamp on it. So if you have a rubber mallet, it's probably better, but I'm just wrapping up a hammer in this and letting it go. So go ahead and get this one off real quick, show you guys. There we go. I'm not sure how good that was. My phone was upside down, but got them off. I'm gonna hit them with some brake cleaner, get them all cleaned up, and get them ready to spray. All right, so I've got these cleaned down. It's probably as good as they're gonna get with some degreaser. I could have let it sit. My wire brush didn't fit too well in the thing, but given we're using this high heat, basically grill paint, I think it'll be okay. It says we doesn't really need to prep it. I've got one going. It's sitting there drying on the second coat so far. Looks pretty good. So this one was cleaned up a tiny bit better than the other, but we'll see how the other one turns out as well. All right, so the audio got messed up on this clip, but this is the third coat on. It's looking pretty good. Now there's a little ring around the bottom that needs to dry, and then I'm getting fingerprints all over it, but yeah. All right, got that one in. I'm just wrapping it in a little microfiber like this. Lining up the hole. Looks good. And then just pushing this in until it lines up. All right. Looks like it. All right. Looks good. Let's go ahead and get some splash shots and it should be good.